What is the best solution to fix a cracked slab? Cracked slab foundations have many fixes, but do they all work and will they last? Stay tuned to hear the best fix for slab foundations. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery, the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. When I have problems with my home, I want to make sure that they are fixed and fixed the right way. In this video, I'll explain when a cracked foundation should be fixed, when the best fix is, and can the cracks be prevented. If you're a homeowner and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, ring that bell for more content about home foundation repair and waterproofing. Let's get started. As with many things, as soon as you see it and the soonest possible time to fix it is when you should fix it. This prevents other future problems and more costs down the road. When it comes to a crack in the slab foundation, you want to really look at what's the cause. Is it just the slab itself is settling or cracking, or is the foundation settling and cracking as well? If it's the foundation, you want to make sure you get helical piers on that foundation to try to lift it and stabilize it forever. If it's the slab itself only, then you're going to look at an injection with a foam. This is a long-lasting product that doesn't add weight to already compromised soil to help float your slab back up into place and fill any possible voids underneath that slab. There are some things you can do to help lessen the likelihood that this will occur, such as monitoring and moving the water away from your home, whether that's downspouts, gutters, or the grade of your home. This is the biggest thing that causes slab foundations to crack and settle, just due to the shallowness of the foundation itself. So making sure that these outside things doesn't get involved with your foundation is the most important thing. Now there are things that you cannot prevent, and that is just bad soil underneath the foundation or how the house was built. So if these things pop up, there's not a lot you can do about them at that point, but take control of the things you can take control of, and that should help lessen the possibilities of your slab foundation cracking. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about cracks in your foundation? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.